The narration from Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha mentions that on the last day of Hajj, Prophet Mohammad S.A.W. would perform the Zohar prayer in Mina and then head back towards Makkah. He spent the days of Tashriq, 11th, 12th and 13th of Dhul Hajj in Mina. After the sun had passed its zenith on each of these days, he would perform the stoning at the Jamarat. For each of the three players representing Satan, Prophet Muhammad S.A.W. would throw 7 small pebbles while reciting Takbir, Allahu Akbar, with each throw. After completing the stoning at the first and second pillars, he would stand at a place for a while making supplications. However, after stoning at the third pillar, he would not stand and make supplications. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23495.